Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm on the Lumber River. As a matter of fact, I'm doing a job right next to it at a relative's property. And it's kind of secluded and I don't have to worry about social distancing here. But while I was here, I said, well, I want to set out some limb lines. And I've showed y'all in previous videos about my limb lines. And I set them out yesterday, came back this morning, and the string was straight out. And I said, uh-oh, that can only mean one thing, and it did. I got a nice cat on it. And I'm a little bit out of my identification. I don't know if that's I think that's a channel cat. If I'm not sure if anybody knows any different. I know Kevin will know. And but that there is a catfish stew is what I'm talking about. But I've got I think I got 4 more lines I can set out. I'm gonna put a little bit of fat back on them. I put liver on this one. I was surprised I got anything really. But anyway, I will carry him home this evening and clean him and put him in the freezer. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. All that noise is Bo. He was scared of the fish and left. He finally come back. God bless.